issues more than help with the fire because of the burn scars. So this is what our Viero camera is looking at for the spring fires. You can see we still have a lot of smoke down that way. Here in Denver, we've had a few scattered showers pushing through the area. They've been very isolated, but at this point, it's still very warm outside. Our current temperature, 94 degrees in Denver. Now, the western half of the U.S. will still remain very hot over the weekend. Triple digits from L.A. to Phoenix at 112 right now, and then 70s up for the northeastern part of the state as they've cooled things down. A real switch with the weather pattern here. You remember last week, the temperatures on the eastern seaboard were hugely different and looking more like this. 97 degrees for our high so far today in Denver. Upper 90s around Fort Collins and Greeley, and the same down toward Pueblo. 99 for Grand Junction today as well. So it'll be warm throughout tonight. Temperatures mostly in the 60s overnight. More storms for the mountains in through tonight and tomorrow, and the 90s will continue for the next few days. So we have some clouds out there. 94 degrees outside right now. Our humidity level at 18% at the airport, and winds about 13 miles an hour. And at this point, we have some 80s toward Littleton, Aurora, and Highlands Ranch, where we've seen a few scattered showers push through. 95 for Arvada and 89 for Longmont at this point. Most of the shower activity has been through western Colorado. We're picking up a little bit of that energy here for the Front Range, which is why a few of these isolated thunderstorms have popped in the heat of the day. And you can see out toward Aurora, down toward Centennial, and C470 here. We just have a few scattered showers. They're very isolated. You might have some heavy rain, maybe some small hail with that, but they are moving pretty quickly down to the southeast, just as the rest of these storms are moving away from Denver. Now, into southwestern Colorado, we do have some rain, but we also have a flash flood watch and a flash flood warning in effect for these areas. So we're going to keep a close eye on this rain as it continues to affect burn scar areas. Tonight, though, temperatures will be in the 60s. As I mentioned, it'll be a very warm night. As you get up and going into tomorrow morning, we'll have 70 degrees. It'll be a mild morning for us, and we're headed back into the mid to upper 90s tomorrow afternoon. So a nice morning, sunny and warm, and those scattered thunderstorms will again affect western Colorado tomorrow afternoon and evening. Hot and dry for the most part here for the Front Range. We could see a little pop-up of moisture in the afternoon, just as we've seen today, but highs tomorrow, once again, around 97 degrees here, mid to upper 90s for northeastern Colorado, and triple digits for the western slope. Here closer to home, we'll have 96 downtown, 92 in Parker, and 93 in Boulder. If you're in Fort Collins, 96 degrees for you. And as you get ready late afternoon to maybe get the barbecue going, partly cloudy skies and a temperature of 94. Maybe camping, extending it into Monday. We'll have temperatures staying in the low to mid 80s. A few storms tomorrow near Vail, and then partly cloudy on Monday. Now our 7-day forecast keeping us warm here in through the beginning of the week. Chances for scattered showers on Monday, 95 on Tuesday, and we'll have low 90s here to round out the rest of the week.
All right, thanks, Stacey.